Welcome to Substack Writers at Work. I am so happy you're here. No more flailing around, no more confusion, no more cobbling together information from websites and newsletters. No more feeling alone. You're here now. Substack Writers at Work isn't a newsletter. It's the most connected, thriving, supportive community on Substack. I'm going to show you around our website, which is where you'll find everything you need. No matter what, do not get overwhelmed. I suggest just being in Substack Writers at Work, committing to at least a year with my guidance and with the support of all the incredible people that are here. There are 3 types of memberships: full access, paid, and free. This is our homepage. You can go here anytime. Everything is arranged for easy reference. Top Substack success tips, workshops, tech, community, interviews, serialize, essays, full access down here. In any of these categories, go to See All, and you'll find all previous posts archived for you. You get Substack Mastery workshops, where I bring in my expertise and all of the advice that Substack gave me. I was one of those lucky people helped by Substack. You'll be notified of all upcoming workshops. They're available for 2 months, so you have time to get to them. I also throw in some extras. Bonus workshops will pop up. You'll be notified about all of that. I also give you the 2 keys to Substack success. These are available anytime to watch at your convenience. You also have access to how to write on Substack workshops. I've taught in MFA programs some of the best for 15 years. All the writing we're doing on Substack falls into just a few categories. Even if you don't want to be a writer, go through these. It will only strengthen your work, and that's what counts on here: quality over quantity. These are up permanently. So over the course of the year, anytime you feel like you're ready, go here and get everything you need. Top Substack tips. Here you'll find all the Substack tech videos. This is where you get all of my expertise as a member of Substack's product lab. You'll see interviews. This is with Substack's head of writer relations. You'll find essays I've written about my own career as an author from HarperCollins. For those of you who might be interested in serialization, you'll find all posts, workshops, and a Kickstart Your Serialization course. This is where you'll find our community. Substack office hours happen the first Friday of every month. You will receive an email notifying you that they're happening. We also call them office parties, and they're so fun. You'll get to connect with other Substack writers, publicizing your Substack in a way that feels good and not icky, and meeting other Substack writers. We also have our open thread, 24/7 support and connection anytime. You can just go down here, post a comment, introduce yourself and your Substack, share what you're working on and your latest posts, connect and set up collaborations with your fellow Substack writers. The full access membership is really special. You get the full library of past workshops. With a full access membership, you get a monthly Ask Me Anything with me. Everything I just showed you is on our website. Now I'm going to take you to our chat. To find the chat, go to the avatar, your picture in the upper right-hand corner, click on it, scroll down to chat in the drop-down menu, go to Writers at Work. This is where you get headline help with any of your titles. You will just start a new thread, talk about whatever it is that you're writing, and then post, and people will give you feedback on your headlines and titles. So dive in, don't let it overwhelm you. There's no rush. Substack is a long game. Substack Writers at Work is how you stay in it. Let's do this.